Hi, this is Komal Joshi, mother of a cute boy, wife to an engineer, MBA by profession, dancer by passion, founder of Central India's largest mommy community in Indore Moms, director Go Travelicious, social media influencer, and now a YouTuber too. Welcome to my channel, Travel Tales with Komal. So हमेशा लोग पूछते रहते हैं मुझसे मेरे बारे में that how did it start? How did a girl from a very humble background residing in the city of Dhuniwale Dadaji Khandwa reach to the place where I am in? So let me tell you guys, I have to admit here that it takes a lot of hard work, consistency and world's best parents. Yes. तो शुरुआत से शुरू करते हैं। करे परिवार की सेकेंड डॉटर जिसको हर एक्टिविटी में पार्टिसिपेट करने का बड़ा ही शौक था और इन सब में उसके सबसे बड़े मोटिवेटर बने उसके पापा। यस, माय डैड वाज माय मोटिवेटर एंड द गाइड एंड आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर उन्होंने मेरी दोनों बहनों और मेरे भाई को हमेशा मोटिवेट किया टू एक्सप्लोर एंड टू एक्सपीरियंस द वर्ल्ड। एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माय ममा, हमारी ममा के बारे में मैं आपको क्या बताऊं। I have never ever seen such hardworking women in my life. She is the perfect example of selfless love and passion towards her work. तो इनकी blessings थी मेरी life में and then I came to know about my love of dancing because of all that, because we were doing such activities. Like I still remember traveling from one city to another just to participate in any of the activity. And me and my sisters and my brother, we were living fully and we were enjoying each moment with our parents. So it was the thought of higher education and better life. My papa took a transfer to Indore and this is how I started dreaming about my dream career, my dream profile, chartered accountancy. But then my father got a paralytic attack and our life turned upside down and we all have decided to shift back to Khandwa. I remember sitting beside God for the entire night, chanting Hanuman Chalisa for first 3 days and night for my dad's recovery. And by the grace of God, my dad got better. Class family, a health issue like this means a lot of financial setback. And this is exactly what happened with all of us. And this is also meant कि मुझे मेरा CA बनने का सपना वहीं पर छोड़ना पड़ा. But I was never the one who would just sit back and see her dreams being shattered like this. And here I made the first major decision of my life to come back to Indore and stay here. And यहाँ आकर इंडिपेंडेंटली रहना सीखा मैंने. So अब मेरा कॉलेज था, मुझे हॉस्टल की फीस भी पे करनी थी एंड मैं अपने डैड एंड मॉम पे बर्डन नहीं बनना चाहती थी. सो आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई डू अ जॉब. सो आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब and after a couple of interviews I got a job as a telecaller of just ₹2500. Yes, you heard it right. It was 2500 only. And back then it was at Pardesipura and I ensured to take a hostel in Bhawarkua because I think इंदौर में रहने वाले सभी लोग जानते हैं कि Bhawarkua and Navlakha area has the most affordable hostels. So I used to travel from Bhawarkua to Pardesipura for my office. And my hostel fare was 1650 rupees along with the meals. So and hostel का खाना आप लोगों को पता है कैसा होता है. It was pathetic. But मैंने अपनी मम्मा पापा से यही सीखा है कि मेहनत करते रहो and be ethical and rest follows. It was my good work that I started getting offers from upfront. Then I got a job in Kyoni Travels SOTC. Then I got a job in Cox & Kings, my dream company. And then I also did my MBA in travel management and then life happened and I got married to the most understanding man, mentor of my life, my love, Saurabh. And then after 3 years of my marriage, the joy happened. The most beautiful creation of God. He just completed our lives and I just cherished being his mom. Again here I had two paths. Either to take care of my newborn or to pursue my job, my career. Somehow I was more inclined towards taking care of my little one. So I decided, I took a decision here and I left my job and I took a break from my job and decided to take care. And then here I decided to work from home, and I started my travel company, to which I named Go Travelicious. In the meanwhile, Saurabh got transferred to Lucknow and we all shifted to this beautiful city. And when I was in Lucknow, time and again, I thought that women need a break from their own selves. Realization made me start a group called Inmo Indore Moms, where it's basically a happy mom project where we are working every day to give a women that deserve break. तो स्टार्ट किया था तब हम लोग हार्डली 200 लोग थे, and now we are 35,000 mothers who are connected through Facebook, and where we are working every day to give that deserved break to mother from their everyday life. And we also do social drives, parties, fun, flea, and lot of other stuff. Basically giving a time out to all the mothers out there, and also this is a platform for all the business and the mompreneurs. So basically giving a time out to all the women out there, and yes, this is also a platform for all the women entrepreneurs and the mompreneurs as well. So yes, make sure to fill your life cup with lots of moments and keep adding togetherness with your family members. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, Travel Tales with Komal. See it to live it.